Alright guys, I just heard this really scary, bad broadcast about this scary, freaky monster guy that I don't want to get infected by. And it's very deadly and virus, so I really don't want to be bitten and anything by this thing. It's very tall and blue, and it had some red on it, and it looks exactly like a human to mock the human, but inside it's actually a demon. I don't know who's all infected, and I don't know anything. What is that? Is that movement? Guys, I think I see one. Guys. Hello there. Hello. What the heck? Oh God, help! I'm gonna run further. Oh my God. What is that? I'm gonna try to ride out of here. And if it grabs me and chokes me while I'm trying to start. Shut off! Help! I'm stuck. I can't get out. My foot's trapped.